to show or hide emergency sound notifications in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra. Open settings, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap hearing enhancements, and then select sound notifications. Tap settings, and then select sound notifications are paused or are active. Tap this menu, and then on emergency, tap show notification switch until blue to show, or tap switch until black or until white to hide. Emergency sound notification. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.